Horses out, okay, approved. Pass to begin, Nobitron, Mega Red, Depira, Nicolda, and Walk the Talk is the early trailer. We have okay, approved, Mega Red. Now moving up by the rail, in between horses, Epira, Obitron, then 4 lengths, Zoe, Peep, Walk the Talk, and an equal. This is the early trailer by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. This time, 4 runners fighting it out for the lead. Obitron, Mega Red, moving up in the middle. Okay, approved alongside. Epira is racing in fourth, and equal in fifth, and Walk the Talk. Okay, approved this time by about 3 for Balenka. Mega Red is down on the inside second. Obitron, Epira still in fourth. Walk the Talk, and an equal. And it's still okay, approved by only half a Lenka. Mega Red, once again down on the inside. Obitron, Nepira in fourth, Walk the Talk, and an equal. And it's still okay, approved by Lenka. Obitron in second, and on the outside, third comes Mega Red. Epira moving up on the outside. But it's still okay. Approved by about 2.5 lengths. And in second, Nobitron moving upon the outside, Epira. But it's still okay, approved by about 2.5 lengths. Epira is on the outside. Okay, approved. Epira moving upon the outside. Okay, approved. Epira. And finally, okay, approved. Epira. Unequal. There comes Mega Red.
Okay, approve.
Okay,
Diba?
approve.
Diba? Tapos, Epira.